Hello guys, what's up? How are you doing? Hello. How are you guys today? Oh, did you go fishing? Looks nice. You are watching the stream from the nature. Oh, BTC is pushing hard here. Pretty nice. Okay, so let's start then. So yeah, let's go firstly on Bitcoin. I'm playing small scalp long here, just to get some profits back in from yesterday's loss. Were you guys shorting yesterday when the news pump happened? Yeah, this was the short I posted yesterday, but oh damn, you are holding from the lows. Nice one. That's pretty crazy. I closed my long, unfortunately, but still made profits, so can't complain. Well, if you missed all the whole move, there's gonna be something in the future, so don't worry. You're waiting for, yeah, yeah, let's talk about that. If we can get above 110k. I closed fully, but yeah, I'm playing along from this choppy range here. So yeah, this was the short we took, and it got nuked pretty much instantly because of that Trump news. I was honestly pretty pissed about it because like just bam, straight to my stop loss. But yeah, whatever. But as I said, like if you observe Bitcoin's price action, like no TA or no Fibonacci or just price movement, I think this move here, this nuke down below 100k is pretty similar to this one. Like we get a sharp move down, all the longs get liquidated, and basically price reverses and pushes hard. And yeah, it's basically, to me it looks like the same move. And what this was, how much? Yeah, about 10%. So from here, but yeah, let's say it's a similar. I would aim for this red box as a first take profit or like short zone maybe. So yeah, yesterday I was posting about this idea that we can probably witness this similar type of price action after Bitcoin swept range lows into 99k. And yeah, honestly, the idea was pretty on point, as you can see, but I didn't have as much conviction as I should. But yeah, from here, what I think Bitcoin is going to do next is basically, so we have a few highs here at 106, 9 and 10k, and pretty much everyone that is shorting right now or is still in shorts is using these highs for stop loss placements or liquidations, whatever. So I think what price is going to do here is definitely take out these highs and stop people out, and maybe push to 108, 109 and take out these highs as well. I'm not sure if we can get here, but it's definitely possible. I would not count that out. But from here, what I'm watching as the first level is just in the middle here, like what, 107.8.9 ish. So, and if we put the levels on chart and clean it up a little bit, you can see pretty much price just swept Monday highs and previous daily high. So here I will be definitely careful, because what we can get is just deviation. So what would that mean? Price took off Monday highs, and if we don't see a strong push into here, these pitchforks, we can just reverse straight back down into previous daily mid-range, or even Monday low, which is all the way back here. But I don't think we're going to push that low, but I would be careful for price to start reversing here. Would you guys try shorts a little bit higher, or just like hunt longs? And what do you guys think? Because I'm a bit undecided if price will just keep pushing up, or we're going to chop a little bit longer and take liquidity from both sides. But yeah, from here, I'm in this trade. Probably could move my stop loss a little bit higher, or just to break even, because I don't think we should move back down if this is a proper rally. But once, which level is that? 107.7 gets hit, I'm going to exit my longs and maybe try shorts. And what I would do would be something like this, maybe. I would not use these highs as a stop loss, because if price comes here and doesn't reject, it's probably going to take out these highs as well, so we can probably put our stop loss lower. Maybe something like this, and yeah, then I would aim for maybe 103, 4k. Assuming the move up is going to extend a little bit more. Yeah, I'm working with the weird one. So yeah, let's check that out, because I think it's pretty interesting. So what I noticed here because we tried to short this range multiple times. You can put a pitchfork in the more correct way, but so basically if you use these lows, all-time highs, and here, and you do original pitchfork, you can see like price came just to the pitchfork, to the middle line, and chopped a little bit, but eventually rejected. So you could say this was the top pretty much. And here it's a similar setup, because what you have here, this anchor point is higher than this one, because normally what you want is like low, high, and a higher low, and you basically do a pitchfork like this, and then you try to short a rejection. So this is a little bit different, and yeah, that's why it's the weird one pretty much. And yeah, going back, pretty much exact same setup is here. So yeah, I'm looking for this because it looks like similar pattern to me. What do you guys think? And if we check out liquidity, it kinda matches that. Let's paste the image. So I'm gonna post it in the chat. So pretty much there's a lot of liquidity above. So I'm pretty confident these highs are getting taken out, because I was discussing with a few traders outside of our group what are their positions, and everyone is using these highs as a stop loss. So it makes sense for price to take them out. Another thing, guys, because before this move we were aiming for close to 90k. Of course, everyone sees this price action differently and has different TA, but just from range perspective, this is your range lows. These are your range highs, all-time highs. So what you can see here, basically, price took out range lows here and quickly reversed, and same thing happened here, but it was a bigger sweep, and again same type of reaction back up. So if we would get something like this, price pushing back up yesterday and today, and then chopping close to the range lows and maybe even going back below, then it would be pretty clear that this is a lot of weakness and we might just continue down to 90k. And of course that it didn't happen, so exactly around here is your range mid. So if price can flip that level, let's say it hits this red box and comes back down, I would definitely aim for all-time highs, just purely on the ranges. Can you send me an image, because I'm not sure what you're thinking. First pivot at the low after that night. So you're basically thinking what? Like that we come here and reject below, or because there's actually another pitchfork. Let's find it. Yeah, this one, but this one is pulled from bigger lows. Actually no, this one is not the one I want to get. No, or it actually is. So yeah, what we could get pretty much, if this is what you mean, a quick push up and rejection below range mid. If we get that, I would be bearish again and consider price moving lower again. But right now Bitcoin is fairly strong, so I would be careful shorting. And keep in mind, guys, this type of price action doesn't mean we have to go to all-time highs right now. We could just come slightly above all-time highs and reject back down and take out range lows again and pump back up and then go up. So yeah, be careful, a lot of fuckery can still happen. And yeah, again, I'm watching this 1 hour candle if it's going to just deviate back inside this little range. Then I might just exit fully. Do you guys want any altcoins for me to check out? Just write them in the chat or anything. Let me know if you need any trade ideas or stuff. We can definitely check that. No. We are not checking Kaspa, no way. I'm not doing that. No. No way. I'm ending the stream right now. No Kaspa here. That's forbidden for me. I don't care, man. It can go to all-time highs, it can go to 0. I don't want to see Kaspa anywhere. Yeah, we can take a look at gold as well, and Solana and bread. So let's go check out Solana first. Solana has a beautiful chart, guys. Look at that. I love this. This looks beautiful. It's kinda a joke, but I would definitely take it seriously because it's possible. Yeah, and CRV, no problem. So yeah, this Solana chart is a meme until we get a break below this trend line. Then I'm actually going to seriously call for this, probably. So where is the Solana chart? So yeah, let's start on a weekly. Pretty much after that Trump pump, Solana price action is just shit. Like, this was how much? 70% down. Let's check out some levels. Yeah, it's below monthly open, and that will be something to consider. But yeah, Solana reached our target. Like, where is it? This was the short I posted, and yeah, didn't ride it out, but still you can see it played out, and came down to the 125. So yeah, from here, let's see. Yeah, it's still below daily 50 EMA, so I don't like that. And you have the bearish EMA cross. What is a bearish EMA cross? Is basically 4-hour EMA. The purple one is below daily yellow one. So what you can wait is, let's say Solana keeps pumping up, and that would cause 4-hour EMA to start moving up, and like this. So you can wait for a bullish cross on EMAs, and this concept is just basically 50 EMAs on 4-hour and daily time frame. So yeah, you can wait for a move up for these EMAs to cross, and then maybe just enter some 10x leverage longs or actually start looking for a setup. But right now, besides just market longing and putting stop loss below the lows, I don't think there is much to do. So let's say you want to enter right now, I would do something like this. I mean, it's not bad, it's 2R. So if you want to enter right now, I would just do this. But let's go on 4-hour now. And let's open up the Monday range. So yeah, monthly open will be resistance in my opinion. So let's say you go long now, I would definitely take profits here. Okay, so yeah, right at the Monday highs, I actually don't like that much, to be honest. You have clear resistance here, and what you can look for is for a Monday. It's for a Monday highs to get taken out, and for price to deviate back inside the range, and then basically what you want to do is just play shorts back to the Monday lows. So if that plays out, this would be the move for me, and let's say it comes back to the Monday low, and here you would try to find longs. But I don't like the fact that Solana is right at the Monday highs. That doesn't look that clean to me, and still didn't break them. So yeah, I don't know, I really don't like it here. It seems Solana is the new Ethereum. Pretty shit. Let's check out resistance. So yeah, you basically it broke the, yeah. Actually, I don't like this. I would maybe even try and short it. It's just at the 0.31 Fibonacci on normal scale. So honestly, maybe it's a little bit risky, but you could probably try this back to Monday lows. I think it's a valid setup. Oh, for Solana Pitchfork, what you mean this? I mean, yeah, if it actually this might be better, like, but assuming price is going to push up, you could enter here and stop loss above these highs and aim for Monday high then. But I don't know, I don't like the fact that it's around Monday highs and below the 0.31. And let's check, yeah, exactly, deviation back in. As of now, just took out Monday highs and it's going back inside the range. So I might as well exit this long. From here we need a push up, if we don't get that, yeah, if we don't get a push up, Bitcoin is probably coming to what, 102, 3k. That's my view, but that's kinda a good thing, because let's say that happens, we can actually get some high probability longs. Where are my boxes? So yeah, here this is a long box and this is a long box, pretty much. And I believe I had, yeah, setups already, so something like this, and I would then aim for these highs. This is definitely on the table for me. You can screenshot it, or just like, I'm probably going to post about it later, or if we come lower. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, like, I'm definitely not saying it's impossible to get lower down, but as of now price action is not supporting that view strongly as it was before, maybe. But yeah, this would be the next long I would take, and then maybe like not target here, but maybe like here. But still, I would try these two boxes for sure. Honestly, this feels like a deviation, so I actually would try shorting Solana here and place a stop loss just here. This feels pretty tempting, not gonna lie. Back to here. What do you guys think about this one? Because look how it's holding the Fibonacci level. Let's check the Ichi Cloud as well. What's it saying? I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour close, but I'm keeping this idea in mind. But basically this idea would work if we get a deviation on Bitcoin. So let's pull out the levels. We took out previous daily high, Monday high. So deviation would mean just a move back down. Something like this to the first green box, or maybe the second one. But yeah, right now it looks like it's going to happen pretty much. 4 hour also looks a little bit ugly, but still some time to pump up, pump down, whatever. One thing I'm actually considering, like, let's go on a clean chart. Like, every time Bitcoin puts in this huge candle, like, it's pretty obvious what follows. Like, let's take this as an example. You get one big green candle, and there is a smaller one which is still green, and the third of the day it just moves up a lot. So let's take this one as example. Pretty much similar thing. You get two solid daily candles, this one, which is like very similar to these two, and then the last exit pump. And let's go. Okay, this one doesn't look the same, but again, similar concept, like it follows in three. And let's go back. And this one is pretty similar to me as well. You have a little bit longer before the next expansion, but similar idea. So I'm actually watching for that move here. If we close this candle like this here, I would bet something like this is cooking. What do you guys think? Where would that put us? Maybe at this house. Like, let's say we get something like this. I would say these highs get taken out. Maybe these ones as well, but not sure. Just an idea, like looking at past price movements. I think there's a pattern developing here. But yeah, for Solana, if you want to take it, this would be my setup. Of course, it depends on Bitcoin, but I think it's valid. Yeah, and stop loss, maybe you can put it above these highs, or like really try to be aggressive and just above Monday highs. Okay, so let's take a look at Brett now. Yeah, maybe 109, 108. So yeah, let's go on a weekly. I think I posted something. We have a Brett specific thread in the altcoins section, so you can find that. My past analysis, I think I had something like this, but it was more as a joke, like a megaphone pattern or whatever. So the idea was Brett is going to do this. Of course it failed, so I don't think this will be the case. But yeah, we had a lot of nice upside on Brett, and we tried to short some, and I think we made a pretty nice short there. Like you can see, Brett has hit log scale pitchfork and rejected, but we still have a normal scale one, so like the ultimate target, I guess you could say, would be 13 cents ish, like that area. And you also have a nice supply zone here, like this one. So it's definitely possible. Brett had this initial pump, came down. Here I would watch for a little bit of consolidation maybe, and like the next move up, and maybe this pattern just repeats itself. Like explosive move up, a lot of bleed, and again consolidation, and again boom. But yeah, Brett pretty much came back inside here. So yeah, came back inside this demand zone, and it looks possible that the next move up is cooking. So you could do this trend line, though I would not take trend lines seriously that much. But maybe as a swing trade, what you could do is basically like, not sure how valid this one is, but you could do something like this maybe. But I never do such wide stop losses. Let's check. Yeah, again 50 EMA daily yellow one is above 4 hour one, so maybe what's going to happen here, price is going to retest this EMA and push up. But I don't know, guys, yesterday everything pumped like crazy, so I honestly can't tell if you should just enter now or wait. I would probably just wait, maybe one more day, just to get a better read on this, because it's weird. Yeah, actually your idea for Bitcoin seems valid, but like I don't like your third wave. I mean, that chop just looks weird to me, but it's definitely possible. So yeah, maybe for Brett you can wait for a bit more upside, and if you get something like this, then I would try to long it. Let's check out levels. So yeah, weekly open and previous weekly low below. You have monthly resistance above. So this would be basically a box you want to see get broken. And let's put on a Monday range to see what's up here. Yeah, again, it looks similar to Solana. Took out Monday highs just a little bit and it's deviating back inside, so honestly Monday low might be calling. But I must say this looks pretty clean to me, like it looks pretty clean. This explosive move up, bleeding down, and it looks like another move up might be cooking. What do you guys think? Do you agree with this? Let's check out. Yeah, and actually if you look at a 0.31, it's still higher, so Brett might push up. And where is the golden pocket? Here. So yeah, honestly this can go higher before it starts hitting resistance. So if you're okay with the risk, you can maybe try some longs here and do it like this. Yeah, this would be more proper. It's a little bit of a wide stop loss, but like this is the only idea that I like and that seems valid. Basically what you want to see, Brett just moves up, and yesterday, no, actually no, it was not yesterday, so that this is the low and it's not getting taken out. You could also say this is a demand zone. It definitely is. So came into demand zone and it's going to pump up. Yeah, what do you think? I mean, yeah, I agree or not. To me, this looks pretty valid. You have a nice corrective move down, so and in higher high, so yeah. Maybe we can get something like this, but not sure. I would rather focus on Bitcoin, to be honest, because there you can use smaller stop loss and bigger size. This I would just try some pocket money. So yeah, let's go to CRV now. But yeah, for Brett, this is what I see right now. It's been a long time since I charted Brett, to be honest. But let's leave this one here and see how it develops. CRV, I think it front ran my target. But from the last time we talked about it on stream, it did pretty much what we wanted. I just have to find the box. So yeah, I think we were looking at this box. yeah. Wow, pretty much. Look at these guys. This is the trade setup I created on the stream, and no, this is insane. This is not real, guys. Look at this. What the fuck? Wow, crazy. And now I feel bad. Now I feel bad about this. We made it live on stream and nobody took it. Ah, that sucks. That sucks. Well, at least you can say we did something amazing here. Created a setup for the fucking close. Crazy. Yeah. I think this stream where we made the bread setup is actually on YouTube. Pretty sure about it. But yeah, I think this can go lower, higher, whatever. We missed nothing, guys. We can still get a setup in. But yeah, so this was the area I was watching, basically why in this move up here, consolidation demand box. So that's why I have a box here, pretty much. So yeah, actually let's check this out. Yeah, you could say it bounced the trend line as a third touch, but right now I don't think we can get a setup. We need to wait for a few more days for more price action, guys. Definitely now you have resistance above, definitely. So let's see what the pitchfork is saying. So yeah, 70 cents. So this would be the zone to try shorts for me personally. I'm gonna put some alerts so I don't miss it again. So yeah, this is a short box and I'm gonna leave it on the live charts so you can check it anytime. No, I don't stream on YouTube. I just record the stuff and upload it there. And every time I post the recording, I let you guys know. So I don't know what we're doing, man. So yeah, if this box gets reached, I will probably look for shorts. And like shorts or time frame. Yeah, pretty much same thing. Look, guys, took out Monday highs and its candles are closing below. So something like this, I would actually expect something like this. Yeah, for sure. But pretty much I think bread has the same setup. Reclaimed 4-hour EMA, but is below daily. So I don't know, like something like this maybe, but you're just hoping market goes up. I think we need to wait. Like there is not much we can do right now. Definitely it could come lower, like you could say some demand is here. So maybe if it comes here, I will try longs and let's put some alerts. But yeah, as of now, not much to do. Just wait. Just wait. Maybe try and short it. Let's see what the 0.31 is saying. Yeah, upside. Yeah, actually, maybe something like this. Okay, this seems a little bit better, but still a wide stop loss. So if you decide to short, I would go small size and maybe build around here. What do you guys think? What should we do with CRV? I say we just wait. But yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on this, if anything happens or I find anything, I will let you know. Do you want any other altcoins? Oh, let's check out SEI. That had insane move today. Like, it did 50% in one fucking day. Like, look at this, guys. This is unreal. Like, what? In 2 days, but what the hell? What the hell is this? Totally broke the pitchfork and took all the liquidity to the upside, everything here. So yeah, definitely not shorting this. And what I would say, like, it broke structure, or not yet. I would watch for these highs to get taken out. If SEI can do something like this, I think it's gonna make a bullish trend, because you have a higher high then. I mean, you already have, like, here. Anyway. But yeah, once these highs get taken out, I think we can be pretty bullish on SEI. Like, not pretty bullish, we aim for all-time highs, but as trading goes, we can look for longs. Let's just recap a little bit. So yeah, what happened on the previous stream, I was waiting to enter shorts here, but actually some of you shorted right here and caught the entire move down, which is pretty insane. Happy for you. So yeah, from here, SEI definitely looks interesting with this strong move up. So again, not much to do right now, but if something like this happens, come on, I would look to enter longs, but ideally one more push up just to take out these highs and make a proper higher high and then come down. But yeah, I'm gonna look for longs here and let you guys know if I find anything. Probably put alerts like this. Yeah, nicely broke above all EMAs, so that's pretty clean. Yeah. Do you guys want any other altcoins? Anything else? SPX like S&P, or oh yeah, that shitcoin. Fine, let's do that. What? Well, this one looks crazy. What? This is crazy, guys. What's this? 80% weak. It's pumping hard here. I honestly don't know what to say. This looks wild to me. Yeah, okay, let's go to what? To Bybit. That should be good. Or no, we are on Bybit. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Well, here is another. This is definitely a key level. So yeah, you can see reaction here, reclaimed with chop, reaction. So next, what can we look for? Maybe something here, just because of this high, or probably this is a little bit better, but honestly I don't know what to say, because like it's just grinding up, nuked down, and we already missed the move. So yeah, not much to do, sadly. Like if SPX would be like right here right now, I would say let's go long here, but maybe short it, but I don't know. Do you want to short? Actually, like just here. So maybe tomorrow this is going to reject a little bit like this. Let's see where the, yeah, but it broke above Monday high and properly. So your support is here, weekly and monthly open. In case it comes back down, this is your support. But let's look higher. So yeah, again touched mod shift and shift pitchfork. Actually on normal scale you still have a little bit higher, but honestly I would only try shorts if what is 1.455. yeah, so something like this, maybe something like this, but I don't know how low this can go because it looks fairly strong. This is the setup I see, but I would not hope for insane downside, honestly. But yeah, if you want to take it, take it. I think it's totally valid. Let's check Fibonacci levels as well. So yeah, and just below the golden pocket, so maybe this comes up a little bit higher into the golden pocket and then goes down. So yeah, something to keep in mind. Let's go on 4 hour, and you could say like a little bit of supply is here, so yeah, but it's not as visible. By the way guys, like a little bit of tip, you can use Henkai Ashi candles to identify supply and demand zones. If you don't know that, that's pretty useful for finding confluence. Yeah, I can go through BTC again, no problem. But yeah, basically yeah, or that. But I love this type of candles to find demand and supply zones. So basically, based on this, what you have a supply zone right here. So yeah, add the still supply zone till the top to the last pitchfork. So yeah, valid, but I don't know. I'm not sure if we have SPX on the live charts. Let's add that so you guys can check it out. Okay, so yeah, SPX is on live charts. So if you want to go back to the setup after the stream, you can do that now. So yeah, what should we look at now? Okay, another meme coin. You probably want TA for a spot, probably not for trading. Yeah, I have to make a new window. Okay. Okay, let's go on weekly. Oh, Jesus. This looks weird. But yeah, again, supply zone here. Like, depends how you wanna define it, but definitely this. Yeah, consolidation here. It's kinda in the middle. Not liking it that much. Not liking it that much. And what it made? Almost 10x. Insane. Are you holding spot or what's your stand here? Yeah, definitely too dangerous for leverage. Okay, so let's go on smaller time frames now. Yeah, a little bit of a demand zone here, so probably that's why it's bouncing. So yeah, you could look for some upside, definitely. Probably this is a buy if it comes back down here into what, 2 cent region. But like right now, probably there is still a gap here, you know. This is not really correct, but let's just say this. You could see maybe a small pump and it comes back down and fills all the area here, because this is just an empty pump, like created this space and now price is filling it up. But yeah, again, all depends on Bitcoin up for this one. It came into support here, but I would watch out if it breaks it comes back down into the lower support. I don't know, I don't really like holding spot if it's not Bitcoin, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, if it starts breaking to the upside, maybe something like this, or I don't know how you do a trend line on these weeks. A lot of resistance above, definitely, like here. Yeah, above 20 cents and here. Or yeah, still has some upside, definitely. So probably we can get a few green days on shitcoins from here. But yeah, this is definitely also a zone that will act as a resistance if we don't get a crazy pump. So I would look for something like this, maybe, or just breaks down lower. And let's add this one as well to the live charts. What's your spot entry on this one? Like, are you in profits or? Yeah, oh well, then you should be fine. Like, do you plan to, did you exit something, or are you looking to exit? okay, I just posted this one on live charts as well, so yeah. I don't know if you should hold this one long term because it has no value. Because yeah, I don't know, old season or not, I would not hope for that. You know what I think about it. And look, it did a 10x this year already. What else do you want? Almost a 10x, but pretty much so. So yeah, don't be too greedy, in my opinion. Like, this is a proper shitcoin, just take the money and get out. Maybe, yeah, let's see. Where is the golden pocket? Maybe here. This would be maybe the last target. If it comes here, I would definitely sell almost everything. Yeah, 45-ish, like probably 40 cents, but around there. Let's just go to Bitcoin again. Pretty much, oh, well, this is a little bit undecided. Well, 1 hour candle closed above Monday highs, so I don't know what to think of it, to be honest. Probably it can push up, and I want the push up for my scalp long, so yeah. And you could say this one hour here is a little bit of a demand as well. So yeah, previous 1 hour close is not too bad, to be honest. So let's see what this one does. Yeah, ideally it comes up and takes out these highs, and then we see. Right now I don't see any special reasons to be bearish on Bitcoin. I would be careful shorting it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, your what's that? Mutagen is on live charts, so you can just access that. Yeah, sorry, I forgot about gold. Let's go there now. Sometimes I have a lot of charts to cover and I get lost completely, especially when I'm hunting for ideas on shitcoins. Yeah, this was the gold trade I said I'm going to take, but missed it because I was away, and again, too many charts, I forgot. But it's not looking too good, to be honest. Like, this candle looks pretty weird and weak to me. Next trade idea I had is lower here. Yeah, but honestly I stopped trading gold because I just keep getting stop loss hits. So yeah, taking a break from it a little bit, but you can definitely use a pitchfork here, like this. So your target would be 3.3, a little bit under K. So this would be the trade for me, and stop loss below these highs, but you could see gold drop into this box. So yeah, what you can look for is, but that might be too low. Something like this, maybe just use a wider stop loss. I mean, it's still pretty tight, so it's fine. Something like this. I'm not sure. Do we have gold on live charts so we can? Actually, Campman is coming probably in the summer. For those that know him, I'm talking with him a little bit here and there, so yeah, you will probably see him soon or soonish, definitely. Let's see. Yeah, gold is available on live charts, so yeah, you can just go back. Yeah, that's the gold pair we trade on crypto exchanges, but you must be careful because it's low volatility, so you can get fucked on some weird weeks. So yeah, this would be the gold trade for me. I'm gonna just leave this here, but guys, keep in mind, like, I know why to be bullish on gold, but like we had this move up, so if it does something like this and then starts running, don't be surprised, because like, look how this is crazy. So yeah, if it drops lower than people expect, don't be surprised. Like, either you take this one and it works, or just wait for lower, maybe August. Actually, that would make a lot of sense to me. Like, maybe something like this. That's a little bit weird, but yeah. What if gold just moves sideways a lot into the box and, yeah, like I said, a little bit lower? Because I know some people expect gold to start pumping from here. So yeah, keep the lower scenario in mind. But yeah, basically, to give you a sneak peek into what I hope it's coming to the server, I'm talking with Campman a little bit, and the idea we had is for him to come on board, and I would give him a separate section in the Discord, so he would have his own channel for his posts, TA and stuff, and his part would be free and available for everyone. So yeah, that's just the idea we are talking about, but still have to discuss a few things. But in my opinion, that would be pretty nice for like entire community as an improvement. What do you guys think of that? Like, for those that know Campman. Yeah, that's exactly why I would bring Campman here, because like, I have my section, I have a reason why the memberships per month, but yeah, I think Campman would give a lot of value to the server, and would be pretty cool, like, to have two people posting different stuff. Although Campman would post probably just like TA here and there a little bit and give his views on Bitcoin, and you would see me post trades, and yeah. But I'm hoping I can short everything, and that actually happens next month. So yeah, watch out for that. I still have to discuss some things, but that's on my mind for future plans. Like to expand stuff and give even more value. Oh yeah, let's go to Ethereum quickly. We didn't discuss that. Yeah, pretty much the green box was where I wanted to go long, and on daily it broke down. So then I decided, okay, let's wait for yellow box, and I posted a trade for it. Still can get hit. Don't think Ethereum can't drop back down. But yeah, now I would wait for the red box, and that's pretty much a pitchfork here. In my opinion, you can definitely short it, like something like this. Yeah. A little bit tricky where to place your stop loss. Maybe, yeah. Above these highs, not ideal, but it is what it is, and then maybe target the yellow box, something like this. But honestly, I'm not too interested into trading Ethereum right now, but this is the first trade from here I see, and it's available on live charts, so you can check it out anytime you want. But yeah, right now I will keep an eye on Bitcoin, where the daily close is going to be, and that's pretty much it. If it drops into this area, I would definitely try to long it, and above short it. But yeah, right now I don't think we can do much besides fuck around on scalps. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Nice little stream to kick off the week. So yeah, probably gonna do one more on the weekend. So yeah, hope you got some value as always. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye bye guys.